welcome to Superhero Day at Preschool and Prep. Today we're going to make a super healthy recipe and great for winter, which is chicken noodle soup. Very easy recipe and just has a few ingredients, and Preschool and Prep are going to help you. So Hannah, what have you got there? Celery, pop it in. So just in a big pot, add some chicken drumsticks, some celery. That's right, pop it in. And what are you going to add?
And then some on your glove.
That's okay. Pop it in. And what are you going to add? That's alright, that's alright.
What are you making?
Can you add that? Some chicken stock. Whoop, pour it in.
Chicken stock.
Pour it in. Oh, good job, Jordan. And what are you going to add to yours? What are you going to add?
Chicken leg.
Some turnips and some Swedes. Alicia, can you add your lentils? Half a packet of lentils. And Spencer, what are you going to add to yours? Carrots. Stand up and pop it in. Good job.
When are we going to put this?
Bring all those ingredients to the boil and then simmer for about an hour. Then I'm going to add some pasta and some more stock and maybe some potatoes. And at home I usually add some parsley and some zucchinis just right at the end, and it makes a really beautiful soup to have on a cold winter's day. Have a super day, and we'll see you soon.